How to add tickets to Google Wallet. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can add tickets to Google Wallet. For this, you want to download and install the Google Wallet app on your device. For this, you can head over to Play Store or App Store. Once you have installed the Google Wallet app, you want to launch this application. Make sure to sign into your account using your Google account. Once you have been signed in, on the home screen, tap on Add to Wallet option. Here you have different options such as payment card, transport pass, loyalty, gift card, and photo. Since you want to add tickets, you want to tap on the transport pass option. Now you want to choose a transport operator. As you can see, there is recommended public transportation options available. You can tap on whichever it is that you want. If you do not find it here or don't want to search it manually, tap on the search bar and search for city or transport agency. Once you have found it, tap it. Then it's going to take you to the respective website. You want to simply sign into your account in order to purchase your ticket. Once you have purchased the ticket, it will be added to your Google Wallet. So after completing your purchase, the ticket is going to be automatically added over here. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.